What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and yet again we are checking in from Busch Gardens Tampa Bay for another Phoenix Rising construction update. It's been very sporadic with testing, and we're back again to hopefully get a bunch of runs. There's a lot to see and do. Let's go. Parking was a breeze. Ticket windows do not have a line at all, and security doesn't either. We'll be right in. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through, and we are on our way. It is boiling out right now. Temperature gauge on my car is at 100 degrees. Might get a couple sprinkles here and there. Really hoping not. Don't want the weather to mess with testing and all the likes. Split Point, we have Gwazi that way, and Skyride, and Pantopia Theater over this way. And recently we've been going to Pantopia Theater because they have Animal Connection show, and that's at 3:30. So we got to get over there considering it's about 2:45 right now or so. Nope, still there, still terrifying. My guess is they're leaving it for Howlscream right now. Tuxedo birds. We got one bobbing in the water.
No, it says go for person this way.
Animal Connections, home to the pink chickens. We'll get over there a little bit later. Land manatees are out. Pantopia, we have arrived. Falcons Fury. We'll do that in a little bit. Got to get over to the theater. And there's Phoenix Rising. Bunch of those posts, again for netting. We're up all over the place. Here we are at the theater. Animal Tales show. Allows us to get some awesome views of Phoenix Rising. Entryway is going in now. Train currently in the station. Harnesses are up on a couple of the seats. Over here we have some cinder blocks that are going up for the queue area. Yay, the video screen's on. Also hear audio in the station too.
Isn't that the ride?
Can you pick me up?
And over here I can see a new fence going in. Alright, we're back over here, Falcons Fury. Let's take a ride. There we go.
Oh, no. Salam alaikum. Guys, I swear to God, I can't. I'm scared. No. Stop. No, I'm not. You're scared. I'm not looking up. We're not even halfway!
It is definitely a good thing I rode Falcons when I did, because it is now down due to winds. A little windy here today. Well, as of right now, it's about 5:30, and I just heard an air horn, so hopefully we're going to start testing. And the audio is on now. Could hear it. So just a little over an hour has passed, and we've seen close to almost 30 runs. Yep, they're testing the heck out of this thing. right, so the colors that I've seen so far, red, green, and blue. And good news, the lights are on.
Those with high blood pressure and guests with heart, neck, back, or physical limitations that could prevent normal seating or use of the safety restraints provided. All riders must be wearing shirt.
Alright, well, it's officially 9 p.m. That means the park is closing. They're still running the ride. And we've seen well over 60 runs today, guys. It's awesome. Yep, literally closing out the park. It's dead. Well, I gotta say, guys, what an incredible day. Saw over 75 test runs. We heard the onboard audio and we saw the lights on the train, multiple different colors. That's exciting stuff, guys. They're getting close. All right, well, unfortunately, there was so much going on with testing, I did not get a chance to go see my pink chickens. I know, what a terrible thing. I feel really bad, actually. Well, guys, that's going to do it for our video here from Busch Gardens Tampa Bay for Phoenix Rising. Exciting stuff, as we saw well over 75 test runs today. We saw the lights on the train, audio is working, screen in the station, all of it. They were also working on the front entry area and the queue. So a lot of progress just in the last week. And of course, we're going to have plenty more updates from here, and hopefully an official opening date sometime in the next couple weeks, maybe 2 weeks or so. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and yeah, Midway Mayhem. See you out on the Midway, guys. Bye.